Hello, welcome to Fletcher's Adventures. Today we're on a walk, another one. We will be getting back to abandoned buildings. I've got a few coming up, but today we're going to go for a walk in a special place that I'm not going to give you a location. I've not been here while the drier weather has been. I've always been here when the water level's up, so it'd be nice to see. But I'm going to show you that place. I'm not going to tell you where it is. It's a beautiful sight. So just walking off a main road, and I can just can see them cliffs. So we're going to carry on walking down here. I'll get the bird app out in a minute. I can hear beautiful birds. See what's around this area. But yeah, the water level's really down. All I can say, still in Leicestershire. That's all I'm saying. Certain people might know where I am. But I'm not one for telling these beautiful places. Now, this paddle boat was around the corner last time I come, a few years back, and the water level has dropped, but look at that, beautiful. Camera doesn't do it any justice, and I say this a lot, but it doesn't. You know, you've got to be here. I know I said I'm not telling you where this is, but in general, places like this. But people do come here, don't get me wrong. It's a secret place, but you can tell the water level. Yeah, but there's the boat, not a paddle boat, so if you're going in you need some oars. But yeah, I've spent many hours here. Beautiful. You've got the other side there. It's really low. It's normally right quite up. You can see the rock face there. Wow. The daffodils out. Little boy, I love that, he loves his little daffodils. But yeah, that's not just it. There's another thing, but I don't know if, because we've not had the rain, but we'll have a look and have a wander. I think I can hear it. It's only going to be a short vlog, this one, just to let people know there is beautiful places out there just right on the doorstep. I'm just coming up on it now. Can you guess what it is yet? Beautiful waterfall. Man-made, don't get me wrong, still beautiful. Still a beautiful sight. Walking back over the waterfall. You can hear gunshots. As soon as it gets closer, I'm out of here. There's another swamp. And that's proper gone into a swamp. You walk up here, the rock faces, beautiful. Oh, the tree stumps, look, roots are coming out. I don't know if this still runs, this stream, because obviously it was a stream. No idea. Come across another little bridge there. Like I said, I've not been here for a few years. I'll have a go that way. That way. The stream's still going there. Let's have a look down this way. Careful, don't fall. Yeah, look, because we're not having heavy rainfall. Let's have a look down this way. Can't remember coming this way. But I'll have a quick wander. Some steps up there. Let's have a look up here. Yeah, I think that fallen tree put me off the route, but there's a couple of fallen trees. And I think, yeah, this is where the rope swing was, but obviously the tree where it was has come down. So yeah. So if you think about coming on these walks, where bird people come, just be careful and be aware of your surroundings, because it can be very dangerous. And these trails, sometimes people don't walk for days on end down these. Like I said, it's only a quick vlog, this one. I am getting back to abandoned buildings and stuff like that. So, but it's not just about that, and I don't. Yeah, so it's not just about that stuff. So let's just get to this one last bit. But yeah, it's very cold down here. I've not got a torch. I think this was an old mine shaft. Put in the comments if I'm wrong. I might be wrong because there's a stream going through it, but it just looks weird to me. you can see all the spiders, and I think it goes quite way back. The cold breeze, so one day, I don't know if it turns off, I've got my torch for these little midges, if you can see, go down to the end, see what's down there. But not today. Yeah, basically that's it. I just wanted to take you on this little, you know, little journey where I found this, and some places out there, the little gems. And if you want to see more like this, you know, just give us a thumbs up, comment below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, Fletcher's Adventures. See you later. Bye.